right, easy now, bring it left.
Steady, steady, clear the line.
Chassis aligned, frame check initiating. Logging successful placement.
Cleanliness is critical here.
Absolutely. Strong welds mean safer ambulances.
Ready for the jig. Align the tubes now.
Got it. Secure the clamp.
Starting the integration.
Clear.
It reduces noise and prevents rust.
Rear suspension alignment is spot on.
Okay, let's confirm the measurements for the window cutout.
We'll start the cut sequence here. I need the heat shrink on these connectors now. Coming right up. Watch the tension on that main harness. Keep it straight on the pull.
Almost there, watch the corner.
Got it, hand me the clamps.
Is it just for heat? It also makes the cabin as quiet as a luxury car for the patient. The smooth finish.
Watch the wires on the left side. Got it aligned. Okay, screwing in the top panel now. Set it down easy, watch the edge. Brackets are clear. Start the torque sequence. Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Steady, steady. Okay, got the pin started.
How do they stay safe in a crash? With 4-point harnesses that allow them to work while remaining buckled in.
Smooth glide confirmed. Latch engages securely.
Why self-leveling? It flows into every microscopic crack to ensure a 100% watertight barrier.
Magnetic sensors detect the door opening and trigger the lights in milliseconds.
Okay, the console is seated. Pass me the main harness. Here.
So both sides have the siren control now.
Check the module gap now.
Reading exactly 25 millimeters.
Perfect fit.
Is it just air?
No, it's 99.9% pure medical oxygen delivered under precise pressure. The flow test.
Final walkthrough complete. All items verified on the tablet. Ready for the Monsoon test.
Thanks to the foam insulation, the cabin stays silent even on the worst roads.
Here are the keys to Rescue 1. We appreciate your business.
Thank you. The crew is excited. Shall we do the final walk around?
Look at this beauty. The F450 chassis is finally here.
It's huge. I can't wait to get this stocked and on the road.
Check out the graphics.
As you can see, the custom layout gives us excellent access.
I like the placement of the master controls here in the cab.
Let's verify the primary O2 regulators.
Vitals stable, let's move.
Med Command, we are inbound with a 40-year-old female, status unchanged, ETA 5.
"50-year-old male, severe chest pain, onset 12 minutes ago. Vitals stabilized."
All right, let's move. Take him to Trauma 3.
A single sheet of aluminum and a vision to save lives.